My name is Sophie Hieke. I'm a professor for behavioral marketing and I'm also the academic director of our master's program International Marketing and Brand Management. I absolutely love working with my students because, to be honest, they keep me on my toes. I'm super passionate about decision-making behavior, and so I combine research and teaching in basically trying to answer the question, why do we do what we do? And so we look into psychology, sociology, a little bit of neuroscience, and certainly behavioral economics to try and understand what makes people tick and how can we influence consumers and customers from a marketing and branding perspective. What I really value in my students is motivation, the dedication and the commitment to say, I want this, and to put everything you have into this, to show up, to take this serious, because then I promise that I will equip you with everything that you need to go out there and be the best version you can be. I think what makes my program special is the sheer joy that I have in doing all of this. And we possibly have a very special professor. He's called Professor Schorch. Come here. Oh, and up. And he teaches us happiness, how to live in the moment, how to be mindful, and to be thankful for the small things like treats.